Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody sent me this bitmap, and they said it won't and he's already got it done. He emailed me back before I could get it done, but it's a not a very good image, and if you look, there's a humongous bounding box around it. So if you are tied to this Dragonfly with that, I've got this one I found off the internet. I'm going to kind of show you. But go to your crop tool and crop out just the Dragonfly. Because that way Corel doesn't have to go through all that other bitmap stuff. And then I'm not even going to change it or bitmap it. I'm just going to do an outline, trace, clip art. And it's going to take 42 seconds. But while it's doing that, if you would just go to Dragonfly, I typed in Dragonfly clip art silhouette, and it came up with this one. And it's big, it's 1024 by 72. And then just right click, copy image, go back into Corel. And well, I'm having to wait 14 more seconds. And be over in just a second. So unless you're really tied to this Dragonfly, just get you another Dragonfly. Unless this one is off of a logo or whatever, but it came out pretty good, and it's almost done. It's done. Put OK. We're going to take the new Dragonfly away, and you can tell the difference between the bounding boxes. And his problem was he couldn't get rid of the white background. So we're going to draw a rectangle, go to Object, Order, back a page, and you can see that there's the bounding box around the original. So it took out all the white except for that. So we're going to click on this image, and we're going to go to Object, and we're going to group and ungroup. And then I'm just going to grab the black, hopefully. Might be harder than I think. There we go. And then just nudge it over. Of course, it went way over here, but if we take that, there's all the, so we can get rid of the white just by hitting delete. And this Dragonfly would be okay. I mean, it's not perfect. This would be a good example of cleaning one up. But if we look at this Dragonfly that I just brought in, and it's quite big in size, so we're going to reduce it. So that basically helps, I think it helps Corel trace it. We're going to do the exact same thing. And going to take a lot less time. And if I would have resampled it to see how much bigger it is, because it was already a pretty big file, 8 seconds, 7 seconds. And we're going to just see the difference by just getting a better clip art. Just hit OK, take the new one, put it over here. Now it has some white background, but see the bounding box. So we'll just delete that, and then we can do the same thing to this Dragonfly. We need to ungroup it. Then we can get rid of whatever this is down here. And then we can take the black. This one might not be as easy, because the black is probably broken into different parts, and you can see that. But if you look how much better it is. So in this case, we're going to find and replace, go to Edit, find and replace, find Object, Edit Query, Uniform Fill, check it, and then double click on the color. Go up here, go check the Uniform Color Fill, go down here and get the eyedropper tool and pick that white. You just kind of move it around. They're all 255 white. Say OK, find all, and then hit delete. Now you have a much better Dragonfly. Now, if you look, some of the parts are gray. That's not a problem. Just take the whole thing and left click black. Now the whole thing should be black. And then what I would do would be to take the entire thing again and combine it. That way all those blacks are solid in one piece. But if you're tied to this other Dragonfly, I'm going to make a second video how you could clean this up quite quickly. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.